Hi, and welcome to another great and exciting tutorial. If you want to know how to set up your Facebook Ads Manager properly in 2021, then this video tutorial is definitely for you. Please make sure to watch this video tutorial till the end so that you don't miss out on important settings that can cause big problems ahead when you actually start advertising for your business. You will not be able to run your Facebook or Instagram ads until and unless you have a proper Facebook Ads Manager setup with all of its important settings and your payment method integrated. So in this video tutorial, we will learn all of these things step by step with the exact process that I do for myself or for my agency clients. And if you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on important tutorials that will be related to social media marketing like Facebook ads or Instagram ads, search engine optimization, content marketing, blogging, and the email marketing. And if you are enjoying this video, then please show me your love by liking or sharing this video with your friends. And if you have got any question, then the comment section is always for you. Please never hesitate to ask your question in the comment section related to digital marketing or this video. I will be quickly replying to your questions within few hours. So now it's time to start the exact work. Okay, so today I will just teach you how you can find your Facebook Ads Manager and how to do few important settings. Well, you can find your Facebook Ads Manager directly from Google by just searching, the Facebook Ads Manager. This one, and the shortcut way is that when you're logged in your Facebook, and then on the left side, you can see the Facebook Ads Manager tab. So we're gonna click on it. This will redirect us to directly our Facebook Ads Manager. On this screen, you will see different ad accounts because I'm managing, different ad accounts for my clients. So I will show you my exact ad account. This is my account, and you can see there are a lot of other accounts of my clients, right? So, but we will do the settings of this ad account. So on the left side, you're seeing a lot of things. The first one is to click on these 9 dots. You will see different tabs and things, insights, which we will explore in our next tutorial when we will be setting our Facebook Business Manager, right? Because Business Manager and Ad Manager are two different things. So today we are learning about Facebook Ads Manager. If I click on create button, so when I start building my campaign, so in the mid of the campaign setup, it will ask me for the account setup. So before Facebook asks us, we will do this directly from the settings tab. On the left side, you're seeing a gear icon. So we're going to click on this icon. It will take us to directly the settings page. So now you can see it says ad account setup, right? There are two things. The first one is the business payment settings, where you can actually add your payment method, and when you can actually deactivate this account, and you will also add your business information and the currency that you want to run your ad account on. And on the right side, we're seeing another tab, which is the ad account rules, right? So this is where you can actually add people to your ad account if you want to add those people directly to your aid account. Otherwise, what we do, we actually add people to our Facebook Business Manager, and from there we give access to the concerned person. So this is one way you can add people to your aid account, and the other way I will teach you in the next tutorial when we will be learning about Facebook Business Manager. So let's click on Open Payment Settings. Now you can see at the top of the screen it says amount due. Once you add your payment method or your card and you run some kind of ads, so then your bill summary will be appearing on the under this tab, right? And you can see it says pay now button. So for now there is no dues, so it is not clickable. And if we just scroll down, we have another option which says add payment method. So we're going to click on this payment method to see what we can add actually. So this is where actually you can add your payment method or your card to your Facebook Ads Manager. So let's click on it. Now there are two ways you can add your payment to your aid account. The first one is debit or credit card, and the second one is the aid credit. Let's first explore the aid credit. What does it say? If we click on next, it says the credit code. Actually, what happens, before you start advertising on your aid account, it doesn't matter if you are on Facebook or Google. So sometimes they provide a coupon codes, right? They provide actually some kind of credit, which actually means that they want to encourage you to start advertising on their platform, right? So if you have any coupon codes from Facebook, then you can actually add this coupon code and click on next. This is the field where you can actually add your coupon code. If you don't have any coupon code and if you have not got any credit from your from Facebook, then just don't worry about it, just forget about it, right? And we will click on our actual payment settings. So it is already selected. We will click on next, and now this is the place where you can actually add your card. First you will need to add your card name, then the card number, then the expiry date, and then the CVV number. And once you have added all of these details, then you will click on save. So this is how simply you can actually add your payment method to your aid account. So the next thing is the business information. This is very important, and make sure you provide the correct details. So let's explore this. This is my business name. This is the street address. This is all about this is all my address, and it says billing country or region. I have selected my own country. You will select your own country. The most important things are these two things. The first one is the currency, and the second one is the time zone. If you select some other country's time zone, then all of your Facebook aid account reporting will be in that time zone, right? And if you select any other currency rather than your own, then you will need to pay in that currency to Facebook. So when you set up your Facebook ad account, make sure to correct the to select the correct currency and time zone. So these I have added all the dummy information. So but you will need to add your own genuine information to this tab. So let's close this one, and now let's explore. On the right side you can see your view payment activity, how ads billing works, so what to do if your payment fails, open help center, contact support. So it's very important and helpful as well, which will help you in case you have any problems, right? So let's go back and see how we can actually add people to our aid account. So as I said, there are two ways. The first one is to add people directly to your ad account, and the second way is to add people to this account through your Facebook Business Manager. So we will teach the second way of adding people to your ad account in our next tutorial, where we will be learning about Facebook Business Manager. So the first one is this one. When you click on add people, it will ask you to enter a friend. This is very important to bear in mind that the person you're going to to add your ad account should be your friend on Facebook. If he's not friend with you on Facebook, you will not be able to find his name by entering into this field, right? So once you have selected his name, then on the right side you'll need to select his role. Right there actually a few rules. The first one is the account admin, which is very important, and you should not probably give everyone an admin level access. The second one is the ad account advertiser, and the third one is the ad account analyst. So you will need to select the rule as per your requirement. And once you're done with this, then you will need to confirm. For now, the confirm button is unclickable. It is because I have not added the correct name. So as I said, that person should be your friend on Facebook. Then you will be able to select his name in this field, and once you're done, then you will click on confirm button. This way you will be able to add the person to your ad account. So after these two settings, this first setting, you will be able to start advertising on your ad account. So once you're done, then you will click on this create button to actually build up your ad campaign. So we will teach this later in the course, but I just want to show you where you actually can set up your ad campaign. So I hope this has been helpful for you. So that's how simply you can set up your own Facebook Ads Manager and start advertising for your business. I hope this has been helpful for you, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon. And if you have got any question, then please never hesitate to ask your question in the comment section. I will be quickly replying to your questions within few hours. Thank you.